CERA Facade is our ceramic coated fibre cement external cladding system. We're finding a lot of clients are using the CERA Facade in the multi-residential space due to it being a natural timber look finish as well as a maintenance-free cladding option. On top of this, it's BAL 40 fire rated, which is perfect if you live in a fire-prone area. It's also code mark certified. Another key benefit of the CERA Facade is the speed and ease of install. And finally, it has a UV rated photocatalytic coating. It's maintenance free, it's self-cleaning, and it will look great for a lifetime. Today we're here to run through the installation of the CERA Facade external cladding system in a standard horizontal and vertical application. It's very important before beginning to cut any of your CERA Facade panels that you have a panel layout like this one shown. This will help to minimise any wastage, and it will also allow you to plan for where you have your join in the panels. When cutting CERA Facade, we recommend to use a circular saw and make sure it's a diamond blade. In a vertical application like this one shown, it's important that you batten out your frame with a 15mm batten. This allows for the air gap required behind the CERA Facade panel. It's also important that you have breathable sarking in place on your frame. The first step is to get your internal and external corners into place. The next step is to fit your starter bars in place. In this application, we're using the horizontal starter bar. It's important when fixing your starter bar in place that you allow a 15mm gap from the ground. For your centre joins in your panels, you can use our double flange profile, or the other method is to use our H profile. The option you choose is based on your personal preference and the finish look you want to achieve. The H profile will give you a colour-coded finish, while the double flange will give you a cork finish. The final step to the trim process is to install the Z flashing above any doors or windows. And also we've put an edge flashing around the window for the cladding to slide into. If you don't want to use the edge profile around your windows and doors, you can slide the cladding into the back of your window reveal. We're now ready to install the panels. Your first panel sits on the starter bar, then you'll work your way up the wall from there. Panels are secured to the frame using the horizontal panel clips provided. Where you can't use a panel clip, spaces will be provided and you face fix using a colour-coded nail. In this application, we've got an internal corner running through to an external corner. To get the panels to sit centred in that wall, what we did was we measured from the inside edge of the internal corner through to the outside edge of the external corner. What that allows you to do is you can put the panel right into the edge of the trim, which allows you to push it into this external corner, and then you can shuffle it along and centre it in your wall. For a vertical installation, use the same method as a horizontal install. The only difference is the starter bar is a different profile. Now we've finished installing the cladding, I just wanted to show you another option you can use for a horizontal external corner. We've got our pre-formed horizontal corner in the timber grain look. It installs together the same way as your cladding boards, and it would sit on your corner like so. With a large range of colours and textures available, CERA Facade is a great option for your next project. For any further product information or any questions you may have, get in touch with our team via our website.